This is the Robin Ross Recap.
So, yesterday on the show, we had a whole bunch of guests, right? We had Ivan Botha and Donnelly Roberts in die eerste uur. Second hour yesterday on the show, we had Brendan Piper and Bobby van Jaarsveld in. Marlenae said something, just in passing as she walked out of the studio, and it stuck with me. She said, iemand se boude is baie warm. So, in the studio, we've got 5 microphones. And the place where Marlenae normally sits to read the news is the seat that Ivan Botha was sitting in, and it's the seat that Brendan Piper was sitting in.
Ja.
And I can't remember at what point she said it yesterday afternoon. But it took me back to iets wat vir my rillings gee, ne? It just completely gives me the grills. When you have to sit on a chair that someone else has been sitting in, and that chair is hot. Warm boude.
Ek wou nou net gesê het, die volgende Afrikaanse musiektreffer. Wit warm boude, wit warm boude.
It's just not a comfortable thing. You know when you're sitting in the queue at the licensing department?
Ja.
Or if you're sitting
Home
in
Affairs.
doctor's waiting
Ja.
office, something, you know when you got to shuffle chairs down a queue?
Is there
I
a time
can't-
when you appreciate it though?
No.
Like not even those cold ones at,
No.
like, at the airport.
Bro,
I mean, do you not appreciate that? Or like a toilet seat.
That's warm toilet
You know-
seat. No.
I'm just coming here with the facts.
Absolute, bro. A seat must always be cold to sit on. It must never be hot.
There must be some times when you're like, "Ooh, I'm lucky."
No. Huh?
Wit warm boude, yeah.
Oei, oei, oei.
Warm boude. I'm just here with the backing vocals.
Stop it.
Wit warm boude. Eksklusief op Jacaranda FM.
I want to know who it was, though.
Dink
I-
jy sy gaan vir ons sê?
I don't know, but I can't remember at what point she said it yesterday afternoon. It just stuck in my brain.
So ons
One of the two of them, it was either Ivan or Brendan, het warm boude.
so ons weet nie wie se boude daai stoel die warmste gesit het nie.
Nee.
Wie se boude was die wit warmste? Vind uit net voor 5 op Jacaranda FM.
Do you think she'll tell us?
She's got to tell us. She's a newsreader. She has to be honest at all times.
She has to be reporting here.
Exactly.
Fact-finding mission.
These are the
Oh.
facts.
Okay, some exclusive reporting that Marlenae doesn't know she's going to do yet. Ons
Yes.
sal uitvind wie die warm boude was.
Wie dink jy het die wit warm boude gehad hier in die studio gister? Ek wil nou weet. Tussen Ivan Botha en Brendan Piper. Wie dink jy wat daar luister in die kar of in die huis of waar ook al. Wie dink jy het die wit warm boude gehad? Laat weet ons 084-850-0942. We want to get behind the wit warm boude so they can sit Rob's stoel warm
Nee.
next time they come to the studio.
Lost by 8. It's Jacaranda FM, your number one feel-good station. We're trying to solve the mystery of the warm boude.
Ja, en ek wil ook weet wanneer ons my splinter nuwe treffer wit warm boude
Stop it.
gaan begin speel. Dit is dankie Marlene. It's so catchy.
I will make the song, don't threaten me.
Don't threaten
I will
me with a
make
good
you sing it
time.
on it.
Warm boude.
Maar ek hoor dis 'n wit warm kwessie wat 'n antwoord nodig het, maar
100%
niemand wil vir my
Marlenae.
sê nie.
Yesterday, Marlenae walked out of this show after a news bulletin.
Hoogweste.
And just a throwaway comment, ek weet nie of jy eers onthou nie, but you were like, my stoel is baie warm, iemand het warm boude. And between,
nee,
over the
ag
course of
nee.
the afternoon yesterday, Ivan Botha was sat in your chair, and Brendan Piper was sat in your chair an hour later, and I can't
Dit is
remember
die
when you
waarheid.
said it.
Dit is die waarheid.
Weet jy, wie van die twee het die wit warm boude gehad?
Ek sal dit net doen as Ras VR treffer sing vir my.
Hier is jou intro. Wit warm boude. Daar's ons nou.
Tin, tin, tin. Kyk hierson nee. As jy nou wil hê iemand moet vir jou stoel baie warm sit. Dit voel amper asof daar 'n verwarmertjie
Ja,
in jou
Hitte.
stoel gesit word, soos 'n luukse voertuig.
yes.
man.
Hitte.
No, not a luxury car.
En ongelukkig moet ek sê die kompetisie daar was die kompetisie vir hierdie ene nie.
Who's got the wit warm boude?
Die prys gaan aan Ivan Botha.
Really?
Manne, daai man is on fire.
Okay.
Hy's warm jong.
Okay.
Hy's warm.
Ivan Witwarm Bouda Botha.
Hallo julle lekker mense. Dit
Ag,
is
nee.
Ivan Botha hierso, aka warmste, tightste buns in Jacaranda hoor ek.
Oh
Ek wil
my
net
goodness.
Dankie sê vir Robin Ross. I mean, dis nie elke dag dat 'n ou se boude warmer geklassifiseer word as Brendan Piper se nie. So ek vat die toekenning. ek weet nie wat om met die toekenning te doen nie. Ek sal nog daaroor dink, maar dit kom met jare se ervaring, onderhoude na onderhoude, dis die passie en uit die passie uit sit jy die stoel op arm. Julle moet 'n fun middag hê. Dankie vir die lekker kuier. Donnelly dink is ook snaaks. Sy stem saam. Definitief die warmste bands, tightste bands in die dorp.
Ja, nee, sy slaap nie koud nie. Sy slaap nie koud
The
nie.
tightest, warmest buns.
In die dorp. Dit
Ivan
is
Botha.
nou so snaaks. Weet jy wat? Ek dink Marlene, ons moet nou deur die loop van die jaar we must have like a sliding scale from 1 to Ivan Botha. Hoe wit warm was die boude van die gas wat in jou stoel gesit het?
Ons kan dit 'n Vrydag feature maak en dan kan jy vir ons die opening liedjies sing. Ek is
Wit
seker
warm boude.
Are we going to send him a certificate?
Yes, definitely.
Wat warm boude.
It's a floating prize, so you must send it back to us when you